Hello friends, welcome back to my channel guys. How are you? I think you're fine. I'm also fine. So previously I discussed car accident, why now car accidents measures causes. Now I discuss how do I protect my claim following a car accidents. So guys, you all know that car accident is very dangerous for our health and uh, for this reason, car accidents reason find out is very important for saving lives. So let's go discuss how do I protect my claim following a car accident. What you do after a car accident is important in providing fault for your car accident costs. Here are a few things to keep in mind to protect your claim. Request a copy of the accident report. The police report will have all the information you need about the car crash. The police report will also give the opinions of police to what happens and who may be fault. Contact your own insurance company even if you uh, were at a fault or it is a minor car accident. You must contact your insurance company to let it know you were in a car accident that involved injuries. Keep a record of all expenses after the accidents. Not only should you keep track or medical expenses but also time off from work and property damage. Make all your medical appointments. It's very important for you to meet healthy, which meet you have to follow with your doctor after a car accident. Not only will you get the medical treatments that you need, but this is help them determining how much you auto accident claim in worth. Don't accept a settlement offer without speaking to us. The first settlement offer is usually the lowest amount of the insurance company is willing to go. Never accept settlement offer from any insurance carriers unless you have consulted with a car accident lawyer. So guys, today discuss about how do I protect my claim following a car accident lawyer. So guys, I think you are know everything. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you.